guys, if you're enjoying Apex Motorhome, please hit like, leave a great comment, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our next luxury RV adventure.
Have you ever wondered what happens when a luxury penthouse, a 5-star resort, and a futuristic smart home are combined into one incredible machine? Well, today on Apex Motorhome, we're stepping inside the breathtaking $750,000 Horizon Voyager 2027, a revolutionary 2-story motorhome that looks like it came straight out of the future. From a glass elevator and luxury bedrooms to a spa-inspired massage area and cutting-edge smart technology, this rolling mansion is packed with features that will leave you speechless. Trust me, you will want to stay until the very end because every section of this futuristic RV gets more impressive than the last. The Horizon Voyager 2027 immediately commands attention from every angle. Its futuristic exterior design looks more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional motorhome. The sleek aerodynamic body is finished in a deep midnight blue with elegant LED accent lighting tracing the vehicle's contours. Massive panoramic glass panels wrap around both levels, creating a stunning modern appearance while allowing natural light to flood the interior. At the front, the aggressive LED headlights and sculpted fascia create a bold presence on the road. The extended wheelbase provides remarkable stability while the multiple rear axles support the massive structure with ease. Along the sides, integrated lighting strips illuminate the ground, creating a premium arrival experience worthy of a luxury resort. As we approach the main entrance, the automatic illuminated staircase extends smoothly from beneath the coach. The oversized glass entry door opens to reveal a world of luxury that rivals many multi-million-dollar homes. Stepping inside, we're welcomed into the spectacular mid-lounge, which serves as the heart of the Horizon Voyager. The first thing that captures everyone's attention is the incredible glass elevator positioned right in the center of the living space. This state-of-the-art transparent elevator connects both floors seamlessly and instantly becomes the focal point of the interior. Surrounding the elevator is an open-concept luxury lounge featuring designer furniture, premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Every surface showcases high-end craftsmanship, from the polished finishes to the elegant architectural details. The atmosphere feels sophisticated, modern, and incredibly inviting. Moving toward the rear of the first floor, we arrive at the gourmet kitchen. This chef-inspired space features premium stone countertops, custom cabinetry, smart appliances, and generous storage solutions. A full-size refrigerator, advanced induction cooktop, convection oven, and integrated coffee station ensure every culinary need is met. The large dining area nearby provides a perfect setting for entertaining guests or enjoying family meals while taking in breathtaking views through the panoramic windows. Also located on the first floor is a luxurious guest bedroom designed for maximum comfort. Plush bedding, custom lighting, premium storage solutions, and elegant decor create a relaxing retreat for visitors. Adjacent to the bedroom is a beautifully designed full bathroom featuring a spacious glass shower, modern vanity, illuminated mirrors, and luxury fixtures that deliver a true residential experience. As we continue exploring, we discover one of the most unique features of the Horizon Voyager, the dedicated office area. Designed for remote professionals and entrepreneurs, this workspace includes ergonomic seating, integrated technology, high-speed connectivity, and a peaceful environment for productivity while traveling across the country. Nearby, the motorhome features a specialized medication room. This carefully designed space provides secure storage for medications, health supplies, and wellness essentials. Climate-controlled compartments and organized storage systems ensure everything remains safe and accessible whenever needed. Now let's take the stunning glass elevator to the second floor, where the luxury reaches an entirely new level. As the elevator ascends, the panoramic views of the interior architecture become even more impressive. Arriving upstairs, we're greeted by an expansive secondary lounge area that feels like a luxury penthouse overlooking the world below. The second-floor kitchen offers another remarkable convenience. Equipped with premium appliances, elegant countertops, and additional dining space, this upper-level kitchen provides flexibility for entertaining and everyday living. The primary master bedroom is undoubtedly one of the highlights of the Horizon Voyager 2027. This spacious sanctuary features a king-size bed, designer furnishings, ambient lighting, panoramic windows, and custom storage throughout. The combination of luxury materials and modern design creates an atmosphere that feels more like an upscale hotel suite than a motorhome bedroom. Connected to the master suite is a spectacular spa-inspired bathroom. Dual vanities, premium finishes, a large walk-in shower, and luxury amenities transform daily routines into relaxing experiences. Every detail has been carefully crafted to maximize comfort and elegance. The second floor also includes an exclusive massage and wellness area. This private retreat is designed for relaxation after long journeys, featuring professional-grade massage equipment, calming lighting, and a tranquil atmosphere that promotes complete rejuvenation. Another practical yet essential feature is the dedicated laundry area. Equipped with premium washer and dryer units, ample storage, and efficient organization systems, this space makes long-term travel incredibly convenient. Powering the entire Horizon Voyager is a sophisticated smart technology ecosystem. Window shades, and energy management through intuitive touchscreen interfaces or mobile devices. Advanced automation continuously optimizes comfort, efficiency, and convenience throughout the vehicle. From its futuristic exterior and breathtaking glass elevator to its dual kitchens, luxury bedrooms, spa-inspired bathrooms, office suite, wellness facilities, medication room, and cutting-edge smart technology, the $750,000 Horizon Voyager 2027 truly redefines what life on the road can be. If you enjoyed this incredible tour, make sure to subscribe to Apex Motorhome for more amazing luxury RVs, futuristic motorhomes, and next-generation homes on wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.